Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to block protected content in Google Chrome with the latest updated method. This is a quick and simple process, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to do it step by step. First, open up Google Chrome on your device. In the top right corner of the window, you'll see 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on those dots to open the menu. This is where most of Chrome's settings and options are located. Next, scroll down through the menu and tap on Settings. This will open a new page with a list of different preferences you can adjust. Take your time here if you'd like, but for now, we'll move directly to the section we need. Inside the Settings page, scroll until you find the option labeled Site Settings. Select this option. Site Settings is where you control what websites are allowed to do while you browse, including things like cookies, permissions, and, of course, protected content. Once you're in Site Settings, look for Protected Content. This is the feature that allows or blocks sites from playing certain types of protected media. Tap on it to open up the options. By default, Chrome usually allows this type of content, but if you want to block it, you'll need to choose the option that says Blocked. This will prevent sites from showing protected content, such as DRM protected videos, directly in your browser. And that's it. You've successfully blocked protected content in Google Chrome. From now on, when a site tries to play this type of media, it will no longer work unless you go back and enable it again. Blocking protected content can give you more control over what media is allowed to play on your device, and it can also add an extra layer of privacy and customization to your browsing experience. If you ever need to change this setting in the future, just follow the same steps and switch it back. Thanks for watching.